If you know the answer to this question, kindly solve it and drop the answer in the comment section. For those of you in JSS 1, this is your second week topic in third term, which is the term we are now. The topic we have here today states thus: solution of simple equation. Our topic today is solution of simple equation. The subtopic is the balance method. That is, we will be solving simple equation using balance method. Before the end of this class, you are going to know how to solve simple equation using balance method. And I would advise that every one of you do this. Don't just watch this video. Try to solve question following the way I explain. And when you have done that, solve another one so that you will be able to remember how to solve these questions even without checking your note again. This is the only way to remember mathematics, solving it over and over again until you remember the steps that it takes to arrive at the answer. Having said that, let's start. Solve the following equation by balance method. Balance method means seesaw. That is, you have a scale. You have what? A scale. I'm drawing my scale now. So this is the scale, the balance. Alright? This is the balance. So, before we begin, you have to name each side of the equation. From this point to this point here, we'll call it the left hand side. And everything after the equal to, that is here. Everything here, you call it what? Right hand side. RHS. The same way, in this balance, this side is called the what? The LHS. And this side is called the RHS. This means that everything in the LHS here, put all of them on this side, in this side of the balance, and everything here, put it here. Is that clear? So let's do that right away. 10 plus 5x minus 45. The next step, we want only the x to be as this side, and ordinary number, that is number without x, should go to this side. To do that, it means it is 10 that we are going to remove. We are going to remove this 10 here. But when we look behind the 10, we can see that the 10 has a sign, and that sign is plus. Invisible plus. A number without sign already have a sign, and that sign is what? Plus. Because the number has a plus, we are going to be subtracting 10 from both sides. We subtract what? 10 from both sides. So let's do that right away. Subtract 10 from both sides. Right? Subtract 10 from both sides of the equation. Alright, we draw our balance again. So before we do that, because of the space, let's write 10 minus 10 plus 5x. So that forms this side of the balance. Draw this sign here. Then what is left? Minus 45. Minus 45 minus 10, because we are subtracting 10 from both sides. That make up this side of the balance. Alright. Now, let's simplify. Simplify means we add or we subtract. So, minus 10 is gone, becomes a 0. So what do we have left? We have 5x here. Minus minus is plus. 10 plus 45 is 55. Because a bigger number has minus, our answer will be minus. So you will be having minus what? 55. We draw our what? Scale. Okay, we'll draw the scale. Alright, now the next thing is to get the x, but there is a number behind that x. We are going to be eliminating that number. To do that, we are going to divide both sides by that number, and that number is what? 5. So we will divide both sides by 5 so that the 5 that is there can be removed. So let's do that. Divide both sides by 5. Alright, now we have here 5x over 5. This side minus 55 over 5. Alright, this is the balance. Now let's simplify. 5 will divide 5, and that will give us, when 5 divide 5, that will give us 1. What is left there is x. 5 into 5 is 1. 5 into this 5 also is what? 1. So we have 11. That is 5 and 55 is what? 11. What can you multiply by 5 to get 55? 11 times 5 will give us what? 55. Remember, there is still minus there. We'll put a minus. Minus what? 11. Draw your balance. Now this is the answer. What this means is that this x has to be what? 11 for us to have 55 at both sides. And when there is 55 at both sides, the answer will be what? Correct. Because a seesaw or a scale will be balanced if both sides has the same number. I hope you enjoy my class. Please, I need your feedback at the comment section. For those of you that comment minus 11 at the beginning, you can see that your answer is correct. Don't forget, the only way to master mathematics is by solving more problems. The more problems you solve, the more you experience new skill or new topics, and above all, that will enable you to remember. When you solve more, you will remember. Otherwise, you might forget. Thank you for watching. Kindly share and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.